dream guiding us, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could have played.
Before anything, guys, please ignore this look. Please ignore this baby girl for today, okay? Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Little Girl Zainab. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning back into my channel. And if you are new here, you are very much welcome. I'm Zainab. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel. It is absolutely free, okay? I make lifestyle vlogs about my experience as a foreigner living in India, and if that is what you'd love to watch, please consider subscribing to my channel, and also check out my other videos.
What it takes to find themselves, to save a friend, discover true love in the end. When you're down, you close your eyes, build a raft of all the lies, float your troubles out to sea. To your heart, make your thoughts a work of art. Climb a mountain if you like, but come back down with more than pride. These things I wish for you.
It's not too funny,
No, I just don't like them, sha. But it's your...
the same thing with the first one in the world. It's always the frame color.
I know that it's a frame.
Try this.
Look at this thing fitting. I'm looking at it like it's weird. On me? It's okay. Let's go for you.
How far? That's an hour. That is more big.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we...
Guys, it is a day to my birthday. Tomorrow is actually my birthday. So today I'm here at West Side trying to get something. Look at this, my shoe. I'm not even sure if it really matches with my clothes, but then I wore it yesterday, so I just want to wear it again before I'll be able to wash it. The weather these days, you cannot wash and everything will get dry at once. So I actually came here to spend somebody's money. Who are these Indians are showing behind my camera? Please. I'm not even sure of what to buy because actually I had something in mind, and then when I got here, they told me they don't have the color of what I wanted. So I'm really not sure if I'm going to leave here with something, but let's just see. Don't want to waste my time because there's really no time. I don't know. Oh, Mom, I'm just loving myself. Oh, Mom, look at baby. See, baby. You guys just tell me how I look. I'm done.
Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay.
699 section. I think these are for meal.
I didn't know about Sha.
Looking at the texture,
It's actually nice for you to go, Masha.
but one.
Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
People will tell you, come to India, you see good. Unreal. It's all this they are designing this thing that you keep seeing every single places. So I'm not even joking about it, sir. Anytime you have an occasion, well, I don't know about anybody, but for me, anytime I have an occasion in India, I'm always having to buy necklace. Even though they are around 3 something. But there was actually a time I tried to buy something costly. I think I got it around 1,200 or so. At the end of the day, my dear, it's still the same thing. The necklace is still inside the house right now, and it has turned black. I don't know what's so special about their necklace. Even Nigeria necklace service is better. This is lovely. So that's why I've told myself I'm never getting necklace in India again. Leave I'm gifted though. But to get it myself, nay. Yeah, everything is for female. Our clothes are actually nice, but it's pretty much late now. And then we're unable to get something, so we just go to the nearest mall around, which is I think Element Mall. Go to Element Mall and check it out.
Hey, do you remember 20-something years ago? Those cold nights in December and the sound of the falling snow. The fireplace warming us, the VHS movie box, your old broke down touring bus, and not a single cloud in the sky. If I could go back in time, I'd pack my bags right now. If I could play back, rewind, I wouldn't think twice. A pair of jeans and a dusty shirt, we didn't have a dime.
So guys, after like a few minutes of going around, I was able to get some things. Yeah, thank you so much for the shopping spree. I really do appreciate it. So guys, it's a new day today, and yeah, I told myself I'm going to be showing you guys what I got at my birthday gift. Hey. But before then, yeah, I just got back from college, and then I actually filmed the content where I went to eat lunch. So I was trying to film for you guys what I eat as a college student in India. So you guys should stay tuned for that. It's definitely going to come up. I'm not sure. I think immediately after this video or 2 videos after that. So just make sure to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I post the video. So guys, this is, I don't know, I just so much love everything about this picture. I love it. This was the first gift I got, and it's just kind of surprising because the person actually did this in India and not in Nigeria. When I first saw this, I was really kind of surprised that really in this India someone can actually do something like this. My dear, I love it so much. So yeah, I also got gym wears, guys. I've always wanted to get, or let me say I've always wanted to change my wear because I'm always wearing one black like that. You must have seen it on my shorts, on my YouTube shorts. So the person that gave me this must really be working in my mind. I know that this guy actually needs sports wears. So I got it in different colors: white, black, blue, and red. So I so much love this. And then guys, I got beetroot. To think of it, I've always wanted to get this, but I don't just know one thing about me. I can always give something that I can always gift people things that are kind of expensive, but to buy for myself is always a problem. I don't know what that is called, but guys, when I saw this or when I received this, oh God, I could not just contain that happiness. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this. Like this. Some of my friends, they are really something else. I don't know how they got to know so many things I've always wanted. I love this the most, I cannot lie. So it came with the normal robe, and then actually when it came, I kind of loved the packaging, because at first I really could not believe that it was beetroot. So it's very nice. And then, oh my God, just take a look at this. Take a look at this, guys. So I'm just going to be unboxing this here. Wow. Oh, it came with all these manual books, and then yeah, a small charger. I think this is for me to be able to replace the air. I don't know what it's called. Guys, just take a look at this. Oh, oh, thank you, guys. I've always wanted to get this AirPod, but I also want to get something that is fake. I don't want to get something that is not that kind of expensive. No, I don't mean really expensive, but then it must be, so that you'll be able to know that it is not something that is so that you'll be able to know that it is not something that is very cheap or something that is not quality. This is quality, right? I love this. I so much love this. Thank you. My friends they are the real MVPs, my dear. I'm coming back to this because this is the first thing I'll open. And lastly, I have this here. This. Hope it's not raining. Sorry. I have this. So, ta-da! I've actually opened this and I've already known what is inside. Guys, just take a look at this shoe. I'm a nightclub I'm a nightclub. I'm not a nightclub girl. Try. I mean, these things are just making me laugh unnecessarily. I should feel like this, right? Yeah, I know, right? I so much love this one, and it is exactly my size. Now, where are these people getting money from? Hey, just look at this. Thank you. So, that's all. That is all I've gotten as a gift this very year. Guys, I so much appreciate it. For the fact that you guys even have me in mind, thinking about somebody is going to celebrate birthday on the 11th of this month, and you got me this. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, I went to the market earlier on to get some things. So I thought I was going to get just this because I don't know, I'm kind of craving fried rice. I'm craving Nigerian fried rice, so I'm gonna have to prepare it myself. And then I got this ijakuje. I'm going to be using this as one of the things that I eat during lunch break because it's one of the things I eat, to be realistic. So I'm definitely going to add it to eat. And then my favorite drink. Actually, this time I actually changed the flavor. I'm used to taking real apple and not real grape, but then I feel like let me just give this a try too. And because of the fact that I did not see apple, so I'm going to give this a try. Let's see how it goes. So that's basically everything for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video from the beginning to this very end. So make sure to give this video a very big thumbs up. Like my video, please. Comment in the comment sections, okay? And also subscribe to my channel if you are yet to. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Can you imagine? This guy knows I love and I need gym work. Thank you. Yeah, I'm telling you. Is it showing the camera? Oh my God! This is beautiful. What?
Wow.
In this India?
How did you do this?
I love this.
How?
Wow.
India. I was thinking about it too, but then
my camera is on, you know. Are you was listening to
You are the
leave me alone.
back.
Guys, just take a look at this. Magus, finish your white tissue. Bring it. Stick it.
No, I'm rubbing on your face.
I'm not rubbing cream. Feel it. My shit don't soon. So stop at me telling you what's coming. That's telling you what's Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god. No, Maris, it's okay. Show me show. I love this. Who likes some video? Ah. One more to my collection. Thank you so much. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god. Thank you. I love this. I've always, God, this guy got me this time. Oh my god. Just give me beetroot. Like seriously? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I've always wanted this, and oh my god, this is so beautiful. Hola.